Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file your Texas franchise tax no tax due report. First, it's important to know that the specific no tax due report, Form 05-163, has been discontinued for report years 2024 and beyond. However, if your business qualifies for no tax due status, you still have an annual reporting requirement. We'll guide you through these updated steps to ensure your business remains compliant with state regulations. To qualify for no tax due status, your business's annualized total revenue must be $47 million or less. This threshold applies to most taxable entities, including corporations and LLCs. Additionally, certain passive entities and qualifying real estate investment trusts, or REIT, may also be exempt from paying the franchise tax. Even if you don't owe tax, reporting your status is crucial for maintaining good standing with the state. Instead of the old no tax due report, businesses now typically file a public information report, or PIR, or an ownership information report, WAR. You can easily submit these reports electronically through the Texas Comptroller's website. Be sure to have your taxpayer number, Secretary of State file number, and current business information ready. Accurate and timely filing helps avoid potential issues and keeps your business in compliance. The annual deadline for filing your public information report or ownership information report is May 15. It's vital to meet this date, as a late filing can result in a $50 penalty, even if your business owes no franchise tax. Failing to file can also lead to forfeiture of your right to transact business in Texas. Stay organized and file on time to avoid unnecessary complications. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.